Hey guys, it's Yaya. As part of the Oslove Holiday Series, I will be showing you guys how to make a DIY turmeric facial soap. I'll be incorporating the wonderful benefits of turmeric and the exfoliating benefits of jojoba beads, and stay tuned if you would like to know how. Alright, for the base for my soap, I'm using the Melt and Pour. This is organic shea butter base Melt and Pour. It's already pre-made. You do not have to deal with lye. So for any of you guys who are not comfortable working with lye, this is the perfect solution for you. All you have to do is melt it down. I'm cutting it into cubes so that it will melt down evenly, and then you can just add whatever ingredients work best for whatever you're trying to make. Whether you're trying to make a soap for your face or a body soap, whatever you want to make, you can add ingredients to this Melt and Pour and you have your soap. It's that simple and easy, you guys. To add a little more oomph to my soap, I'm adding mango butter, kokum butter, and some face and body oil from Oslove Organics. I trust this company to give me high quality ingredients for any of my DIY products. When I'm using these butters, I know that I'm getting great quality. So I'm only adding just a little bit. I will leave the measurements down in the description box below, along with some coconut oil, because when you're dealing with soap, you want to make sure you're having that soapiness, that sud when you wash. But if you add too many oils, it'll reduce the sud, so you want to be careful with that. So while the soap base and the butters melt down, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my turmeric powder. I'm adding vegetable glycerin to the turmeric powder. This will make it easier to distribute and mix into the base of my soap. If not, then it will cause clumps. I also added some vitamin E into this mixture, and then I went on and mixed it together. Just make sure you mix it as well as you can. Like I said, you don't want any clumps in your soap, so just mix it well before adding it to your soap base. My soap base is all melted down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and incorporate my oils into the mixture and just stir it up really well. Now I'm gonna eyeball how much turmeric I'm gonna add to this mixture. I am looking for a certain color, so I don't want it to be too potent, so I'm just adding a little bit at a time to get the desired color. But depending on how strong you want your batch to be, you can add as much as you like. Now for the key ingredient of this soap, I'm using Pure Jojoba Beads. These beads help exfoliate and get rid of dry, dead skin. So this is the perfect ingredient for any soap in general, but also a facial soap, mainly a facial soap. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this. But what I did notice is when I put it in a mixture, I had to rush and pour it because it really does thicken the soap, so just be careful of that. I didn't really measure it, I kind of just eyeballed it, but like I said, as soon as you put it in, the soap starts to thicken, and I had to make a couple of batches to get it right. So yeah, you want to do this while it's still hot and then pour it into your mold. Alright, so these are the final results, and I'm really happy about the way they came out. They look really cool. I do think that some of my mixture did settle to the top of it, but I actually think it gave it a really cool effect, so I really actually like it. So I had some leftover mixture, so what I did is I added a little bit more of the turmeric and made it a little bit more potent, and I made these cute little flower facial soap bars, and they are a little bit more concentrated with turmeric, so this will probably be great for like really problem spots And then I went on and demonstrated that it does sud up, but you probably could get even more sud if you didn't add as many oils as I did, but I just wanted to make sure mine was super moisturizing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed this video. It took some trial and error to get these soaps just right, but if you keep working at it, you definitely can get it as well. And that's it, you guys. Please go check out Oslove Organics. Go check out the description box for more information. Like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram to keep up with the Oslove Holiday Series. Got a giveaway coming up for you guys, alright? So stay tuned. Bye.